Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for shutdown, restart, hibernate, and sleep in Windows 10. For this guide, you need to remember a few commands, or you can copy and paste these commands from this video description. I will explain it first, then I will provide the procedure how you can use this. This one is command is for shutdown. First one is command for shutdown. Second command is for restart your computer. Third command you can use to hibernate your PC. And last one command is for putting sleep on your Windows 10 PC. To use this command to make a create shortcut, to make or create shortcut, first right click on the free space on the desktop, then select here new and then shortcut option. In the shortcut box, you need to copy and paste one of the commands that you want to use. Suppose I want to shut down my PC from a desktop shortcut. I will just copy it and paste this one here. Then click on this one next. Here name it as shutdown. Then click on this one finish button. This will create a shortcut by double clicking on this one icon. You can put your PC immediately shut down. To change its icon, in case you want it, right click on this one shortcut icon, select properties option, and then in the shortcut tab, click on this one change icon option. Now you can select any icon according to your choice, or if you have already downloaded a beautiful icon from the net, you can use this one browse option and you can select your icon from PC. Then click on this one OK button, click on this one apply and this one OK button. In case you want to access, I mean shut down your PC with a single shortcut key, then beside shortcut key box put your cursor and you can now press any letter or number from your PC and Windows will automatically add Control plus Alt to that shortcut. After that, click on this one apply button, click on this one OK button. This one is now you can access, I mean, you can shut down your PC through desktop shortcut or keyboard shortcut. You can also pin it to the taskbar to shut down your PC with a single click. For that, right click on the taskbar and here uncheck this one option lock the taskbar. Now drag this one shut down to the taskbar and when you see pin to taskbar option, leave your cursor. It will sit on the taskbar and by single clicking you can access these features like shutdown, restart, sleep or hibernate, whatever you have created. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.